Hey Joakim, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a super strong magnet. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, if you see we do have the product right here, but when you guys do take it out from the bag, here is basically what the product looks like. So they do give you guys this option right here for you guys to hold it if you guys do want to. And the other side we do have a really strong magnetic option. So if you guys get something magnetic, if you guys stick on here, you can see how strong the magnet is. If you guys try to pull it off, it's so strong. And they do mention the maximum support for this product is 300 pounds. So if you guys want to stick something with the magnetic option that's like really heavy, that's under 300 pounds, it should work. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually go do one more test to show you guys how it works and whether it actually works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. As you can see for this door lock that we do have right here, there's no handle. So I do use the magnetic option. Let me show you guys how effective it is. Alright, so you see the product definitely does work, and it's actually really useful for you guys to use for anything that's magnetic, especially for like this case where we actually don't have a handle for the door option and we only have a lock. That's where one of these actually comes in handy. And obviously if you guys want to stick on your own handle onto the door, you do have the option available as well. But you definitely have this option if you guys want to use this option as well, which is pretty cool. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test the product, and definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. So however you guys want to use the product, that is totally up to you guys. But see if in the actual test, the product definitely works pretty well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we did unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality magnet to actually help you guys carry stuff that's actually really heavy, up to 300 pounds, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.